This is the beginning show of the Shani and Cassie show. And today, we are attempting to get little Miss Star here, all the way down to the barn that you can't even see. And she's stubborn and won't move. Cassie, begin. Come on!
Go! Come on!
I'm gonna slap her bum again.
Okay. Okay, I'll slap it again.
But
give it a good smacking.
She's going this way!
Well, hey, at least she's going somewhere. Go! Come on!
Oh, she's moving!
Oh.
And no, she's not.
Come on. Star!
Star, come on, sweetheart.
Star! Oh my god. Don't back up! Don't back up! Oh no.
Cassie, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get Star!
Oh my god. Oh!
Don't you make noises at me. Oh.
Okay, I'll give her another smack. No, I won't. Sally's in the way. I think you have to smack it harder than that.
I don't want to go.
Oh, here they go. Here they go. Oh, no. Well, here's us walking the horses.
I've officially gotten her moving, and Sally's following.
Oh, I think I just stepped in horse crap.
I did not.
No, I did.
Oh, good.